Analogy between poison brackets and commutator. The poison bracket of U and V with respect Qj Pj is written as poison bracket U V is equal to summation whole over I bracket del U over del Qi del V over del Pi minus del U over del Pi del V over del Qi. Equation 1. The Poisson bracket of coordinate Qj and Pk is written as Poisson bracket of Qj Pk is equal to summation whole over I bracket del Qj del Pk by del Qi del Pi minus del Qj by del Pi del Pk by del Qi bracket close is equal to delta Jk. Equation 2. Where delta Jk is Kronecker delta symbol, where delta Jk is equal to 1 or 0, 1 for j is equal to k, 0 for j is not equal to k. Thus, Poisson bracket of Qj and Pk is equal to 1 if j is equal to k. So Poisson bracket of Qj Pj is equal to 1. To find analogy between Poisson bracket and commutators, let us carry out an expansion of Poisson bracket of the kind u1 u2 v1 v2 without disturbing the order of u1 relative to u2 and of v2 relative to v1. The expansion may be written two alternative ways. First one is u1 u2 comma v1 v2 is equal to u1 portion bracket of u2 v1 v2 plus u1 v1 v2 u2 is equal to u1 comma portion bracket u2 comma v1 v2 plus v1 u2 v2 bracket close plus bracket portion bracket of u1 v1 v2 plus v1 u1 v2 u2 is equal to u1 u2 v1 portion bracket v2 plus u1 v1 portion bracket u2 v2 plus u1 v1 portion bracket v2 u2 plus v1 portion bracket of u1 and v2 u2. Question 3. Similarly, u1 u2 comma v1 v2 portion bracket is equal to u1 u2 comma v1 v2 plus v1 portion bracket u1 u2 v2 u1 u2 v1 plus u1 v1 u2 v2 plus v1 bracket u1 portion bracket u2 v2 plus u1 v2 u2 equal to u1 u2 v1 v2 plus u1 v1 u2 v2 plus v1 u1 u2 v2 plus v1 u1 v2 u2. Equation 4. Now comparing equation 3 and 4, we get u1 v1 percent bracket u2 v2 plus percent bracket u1 comma v1 v2 u2 is equal to u1 comma v1 u2 v2 plus v1 u1 percent bracket u2 v2 or u2 v2 percent bracket will be common. We get u1 v1 minus v1 u1 is equal to u1 v1 will be common, so u2 v2 minus v2 u2. Equation 5. As u1 and v1 are quite independent of u2 and v2, therefore we must have u1 v1 minus v1 u1 upon u1 v1 Poisson bracket, this will come this side, is equal to u2 v2 minus v2 u2 upon u2 v2 Poisson bracket, which is equal to some alpha, a constant. Equation 6. Thus uv minus vu is equal to alpha Poisson bracket of uv. Equation 7. If u represents position operator q cap and v represents momentum operator p cap, which is equal to h cut by iota del by del q. Q is position coordinate. Then uv minus vu function psi is equal to q cap p cap minus p cap q cap psi is equal to q h cut by iota del by del q minus h cut by iota del by del q function psi, which is equal to q h cut by iota del psi by del q minus h cut by iota q del psi by del q plus psi. Here we apply UV method. In differentiation is equal to minus h cut by iota psi, which is equal to iota h cut psi. So UV minus VU is equal to QP minus PQ is equal to iota h cut. Equation 8. And Poisson bracket of U is equal to Q, V is equal to P, that is U and V is equal to P, Q is equal to 1. Equation 9. Using equation 8 and 9, equation 7 gives alpha is equal to iota h cut. Equation 7 takes the form UV minus VU is equal to iota h cut Poisson bracket of U and V, that is equation 10. But UV minus VU is equal to commutator of U V, this is commutator of U and V, hence equation 10 may be written as U V commutator is equal to iota h cut Poisson bracket of U and V. Equation 11. Now it is clear that the commutator and Poisson bracket of two operator differ only by a constant. Consequently, all the properties of Poisson bracket must be obeyed by quantum mechanical commutator. Obviously, commutator of Qi qj is equal to 0, since person bracket of qi and qj is equal to 0, and commutator of pi and pj is equal to 0, since pi pj person bracket is equal to 0,